In the Middle Ages, the farmers in the Gammelstad area experienced strong economic growth. They traded huge amounts of salmon, which swam in the surrounding waters. They also did good business with the Sámi, the original inhabitants of Laponia. They earned a lot of money and were loyal taxpayers. The taxes were used to build a stone church. The building of the church was a huge job that took a long time. First they built the nave. The roof was open and supported by rafters, an architectural style which you can still sometimes come across in Sweden. The building of the arched ceiling started in 1480. A workman from Albertus Pictors Atelier painted the ceilings. The bishop dedicated the church in 1492. It took 12 years to build. The Church of Gammelstad is similar to a Gothic cathedral, complete with altar and vestry. This points to the fact that the builders had the intention it was to become a real cathedral. The church is a typical picture of Christianity in the Middle Ages. It is clear that the worshippers prospered back then. The church underwent a number of alterations over the centuries. The tower was built later on, in 1851. Couples eager to get married could be led through the tower in a straight line to the altar. The construction was deceivingly simple. Natural materials from the surrounding area were used to shape the tower. Different kinds of stones were used, likewise with the church.